Respected dear family members and children, my pranams to you. Yesterday we were discussing about Sadachara, Anachara, irrelevant customs and rituals, Durachara, the customs and rituals which can create negatives. Sadachara, Acharas, customs and rituals which can fetch very good positive benefit in our system. The last day I explained about Sadacharas which are meant for benefiting the mind, creating confidence in the mind, creating a fearless mind, creating a non-arrogant mind, and also erasing of the anger and fear from the mind, and to elevate the mind from inferiority complex and the negative. Those acharas are meant for the mind or psychological, mental management of the life. See, we are managing the whole thing. The Sanskrit word manaha is mind. The Hindi word of mind is man. And from manaha, the English word man might have come. English word man might have come from the word manaha. From the word man comes manage, manager, managing, management science, business management, time management, resource management, quality management, personal management, economical management, space management, and so on. So management is the one not done through the body, but the starting point of management is the mind. That is why the word man is there. So all the acharas connected with uplifting our mind, as I told you, blessing, directing, guiding, consoling, and explaining the stories, experiences, messages and the truth and fact of the life, praying, meditating, these are all the acharas meant for elevating the mind from bad to good, good to better, better nearer to the best. And these are all acharas to elevate the mind from darkness to light, and also from a tensionful life to tensionless life. Now the second part of Sadachara is the acharas, customs and rituals meant for the body. They has got a little bit of spirituality also. All the customs and rituals have got a small part of spirituality with that one. That is for increasing devotion, dedication and sincerity. Now customs and rituals meant for body. Now performing yoga. International Yoga Day is over. Performing yogasana. Performing all the rituals connected with the body. Early getting up, cleaning the teeth, cleaning the tongue, cleaning the mouth, cleaning the body through bath, then deep breath 10-15 times, cleaning the lungs, drinking little bit water, cleaning the blood, and walking. These are all directly connected with the Sadachara meant for the body. Whatever is needed for increasing the health of the body, they are known as Sadacharas connected with the body. You can think about that, which I explained earlier also. Now the third part of Sadachara is the customs and rituals which can strengthen the family relation, which can increase the family bondage between father, mother, wife, husband, brothers and sisters, parents and the children. All the celebrations in the family, whether birthday celebration, marriage celebration, wedding celebration, housewarming celebration, then family deity, family temples are there. Throughout Kerala and India, family temples are there. Family members, relatives assembling in the temple and celebrating the temple Pratishtadin festivals, and coming together, sharing, caring and curing. The parents blessing the children, guiding the children, motivating the children, spending time with them for explaining the stories, experiences, messages and the truth and fact about the life. And parents sitting with the children, children enjoying the companionship of the parents and playing together. These are all inevitably part of the customs and rituals of India, connected with the building family relation. Now, next one, the customs and rituals meant for cultural elevation, value-based knowledge imparting. You know, cultural elevation was part of every minute, every day life in India. We used to do it practically, learning Ramayana, reading Ramayana, the whole month in an year, listening Bhagavata, learning Bhagavad Gita, not as a spiritual literature, but with spirituality meant for the modern life. And cultural, learning all the temple-based cultural activities. Kathakali is temple-based, Ottanthullal is Chakyar Kutha, and nearly 1,500 temple-based cultural activities are there, including all the dances, all the musics, all the prayers, Veda learning, Itihasa learning, all oriented with the temple or in the family, creates an environment for cultural elevation, enrichment of the culture. All the good things can be incorporated in the life through this cultural education. And the fifth point is social bondage. We celebrate Onam, we celebrate Deepavali, we celebrate Holi, Dasara and Vinayaka Chaturthi, we celebrate temple festival, and also we celebrate in our family the marriage, the housewarming. There are social bondage. People from our blood relation comes, and also other people who do not have any blood relation, they will also be invited for sharing the happiness in the family. So this increases really the social bondage. And when something negative in our home happens, naturally many people will be coming to our house without invitation, sharing the sorrow of the family, and sharing the happiness. They will be coming by taking invitation. So these are all part of our life, and inevitably it is part of our customs and rituals. May not have any religious binding there, but still spirituality will be there in that one. So non-religious but Dharma Shastra based customs and ritual for social bondage, cultural elevation, family bondage, health of the body, and also creating a good mind. The last point is really the national integration. So you can see in Sabarimala, in Kailas, in Kumbh Mela, in Vaishagi period, and in Rishikesh, Haridwar, millions and millions of Indians are assembling from all parts of India, independent of their caste, religion, language, linguistic background. They assemble and exist like one entity, exist like one group. So all the demarcations of the language and the caste and other thing will be wiped out when they come to Sabarimala. Nearly 50 million people visit Sabarimala every year. They are from not only Kerala, from all over India. More than that used to visit every year in Tirupati temple, Palani temple, Madura Meenakshi temple. Not only Indians, outsiders also come and enjoy and feel that they are one among the Indians. This type of national integration we can experience through these acharas, whether they are spiritual acharas or social acharas or psychologically motivated acharas or even economically motivated achara, Akshaya Tritiya and New Year Day, the share business shoot up. And while celebrating these acharas, economical growth, social bondage, industrial growth, and poverty alleviation. These are all aimed in our acharas indirectly. So, acharat labade hyayu, acharat dhanamakshayam, acharat labade supraja, acharo ahantya lakshanam. Through acharas, a happy, long, healthy, prosperous life is assured. Through acharas, social bondage is ensured. Through acharas, prosperity is assured. Through performing the acharas, customs and rituals, we can develop an excellent personality in our life. I am sure you could understand. Thank you very much. My pranams to you.